So
Yeah.
what? Sorry for interrupting you, but
Oh no, it's
sige nga,
okay. It's okay.
can you give us some tips or ideas on what can we do to earn money sa pagiging content creator without yet getting monetized? Ayan, mas
Yeah.
maganda yan para marinig ng mga
Maganda yan. Yeah.
audience natin yan.
So, unahin natin, easy one is always set up your affiliate revenue na. So, kahit ano yan, that's still considered passive income. That will still take some time, pero start using that sa mga description mo, depending on what your content topics are, yung niche mo. There's affiliate, everyone needs a product. You're talking about something, di ba? So if you're a baking channel, yung mga pots and pans, ingredients, lahat na yan nasa Amazon or ano ba sa atin? Lazada, di ba?
Lazada, Shopee.
Yeah, Shopee. So lahat na yun, mga if you're tech channel, mga tutorials, may mga lahat na software, lahat may mga affiliate programs yan, right? So set up your affiliate programs. That's the first one. The second one is siguro yung coaching consulting. One time lang. Don't say like you're locked down. So for example, kung ano ka, tutorial channel ka, like mine before, or like you, ManongB, something similar like this. Kung you're talking about social media, say, hey guys, this video, let's say, ang focus mo is Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about the 5 ways na mag-grow kayo ng Instagram account niyo, right? So sasabihin mo doon in that, like, hey, after the 5 tips or 3 tips, at the end, at the outro or sa intro, pag, you play it around, invite mo sila, hey, hopefully this is helpful. Kung gusto nyo, I also do coaching and consulting. There's a link down below to book a call with me. Now, that call is not free, right? Also, respect your time. Kasi your time is valuable, di ba? So
that is one thing na na dito sa Philippines parang hindi nila masyadong pinapahalagan yung time.
Yeah. Yeah, sa atin, and ako din minsan sa mga kaibigan, pagka if you do something, it's like, oh, how much do I owe you? Bahala ka na.
Oh, and ewan ko, pag mga Filipino kasi nahihiya rin tayong sabi ng, oh, magkano, hindi. Kaya din naman tayo, pag minsan, kaya ibang Pilipino naman din, hindi na masyadong iniisip yan kasi akala nila, ewan ko sa ating mga Pilipino talaga, no? Parang if we if we can help, we will help, but sometimes it's, nagsasuffer talaga yung natin.
Yeah,
and sabi mo nga kanina, when it comes to consultation, time is very important. Yeah. So yeah, affiliate marketing, consulting. By the way, what type of niches or content yung pwede yung consulting? Is it just for mga tutorial? Is it just
anything really?
Diba? Anything talaga.
Kung let's say kung vlogger ka, I mean, you can, depend. Kailangan you just have to approach it kung ano ang pain point ng audience mo, right? So let's just say kahit vlogger ka, I see some vloggers overseas na they do consulting sa mga trips. So if you're virtual, parang ano ba yung
virtual tour?
The virtual travel agent or trip advisor, diba? So like, I want to go to London for 2 days. Okay, you can call me. There's a girl in New York. Ang specialty niya, she's a vlogger in New York. Best restaurant. You have a 24-hour layovers in New York. That's her channel. I forgot her name now, Sarah something. Pero she offers that. Like, if you're going to New York for 24 hours kasi may layover ka, here's my different packages. I will set up your itinerary, diba? So like, they're being very creative sa mga offerings nila. So,
and that's what I'm saying here on my channel na for you to earn from social media, hindi lang ads, you really have to know what your viewers need and they are willing to pay for. Yeah. Diba? That's really important. You really need to know kung mo kailangan nila. It can be a product. So, affiliate marketing yan. Or gawa ka na sarili mong product. It can be a service. And kagaya nga na sinabi ni Rob kanina, ang ganda nun yung virtual itinerary lang. Gagawa mo siya ng itinerary. Saan ka pupunta? Ako mabubuk ng ganito mo kasi marami akong contacts. That's a very good idea. So, again guys, we're just giving you ideas on how you can actually earn from your content. Okay? So, tatlo na yun. Dalawa pa, affiliate marketing, consulting. So, other than that?
Affiliate marketing, consulting, courses. Diba? Courses. So, courses kasi you're already sharing content here. So, ang courses naman, itong struggle ng courses for YouTubers. Kasi sa YouTube, everything is free. Like, how do you do this? How do you do that? Diba? Everything is free. That's the whole point of YouTube.
And minsan pag binitin mo, magagalit pa.
Yeah. Pero here's the point is that sa courses, it's the organization. So kung ako, like let's say, my channel is social media, so baka meron akong mga videos on how to set up a Facebook ad, diba? Facebook ad campaign. How do you set up a Facebook ad campaign? So meron pa mga videos, this is step by step, this and that. Pero usually you have to put it together in like baka siguro multiple videos. How do I start? How do I do this? How do I maintain the ad? How do I check if it's working? A/B testing, different copy. So there's so many things. Whereas sa course, it's the A to Z, diba? So first this, second this. By the way, here is a worksheet. Here is my templates. So may mga ibang mga assets sa courses. So not just video. So think about it as like, kung papasok ka sa school, diba? It's not just the teacher talking. May mga handouts yan, diba? May workbooks. Maybe there is a...
pala yung mga teacher nagbibenta ng handouts. Joke lang, but that's sinasabi na another way to earn.
Yeah, mga handouts, mga cheat sheets, di ba? Yung mga ganyan, mga worksheets. Also, baka may mga breakout sessions din yan. So this is more of a membership course. Course or membership, minsan blurry ang lines eh. Pero maybe as part of the course, there's also a small group lesson, di ba? Mga workshop. Parang sa atin sa in-person, mga labs, di ba? So maybe that's something that is part of the course. So from the course, pwede ka namang upsell nila. So if this course is maybe,
not effective sa'yo.
Not effective, or maybe it's $20 or $30 or, after the course, you can invite them to a membership. Ngayon, membership naman is monthly recurring. So you can use different platforms. Pero now it's monthly. They pay you monthly. Ang ano naman doon is that you have to think about what is the offering sa membership? Is it a community? Do you have a private Facebook group or WhatsApp group or Slack? Tapos, do you have maybe a private live stream, tutorial live stream? Do you have small courses, each month? Ano bang like included sa membership mo? So now you have to think about membership. Pero the nice thing about membership, ManongB, is that predictable income versus yung mga other income dito sa YouTube, yung mga super chat, all that. Now predictable income na. Kasi I know like, okay, meron akong 10 members, all of them are paying $50 each or $20 each. Okay, now I can plan. Next month, itong kikitain ko, so I can invest this much sa business ko, diba? So
you just have to strategize on how you can keep them.
Yeah, yun lang. You have to keep serving the audience. So again, this is something that a lot of creators abroad are doing really well. Membership. A lot of them, they don't do sponsorships. Like, tingnan nyo si Justin Brown. Justin Brown is in Australia, one of our really, really good partners. Yung whole business nila is just memberships. Like lahat na, all just memberships and affiliates. Yun lang. They don't do live streams. They don't do sponsorships even. Memberships lang. So, it's really, really predictable income is so good. So
actually, ako din dito sa channel ko, most of my revenue is actually coming from membership.
Yun.
Yung pinakamataas na portion ng revenue ko from YouTube is actually from membership. And of course, kapag may membership ka na, you can always go to the next level, consultation. Promote yung consultation mo next that membership, 'di ba? Kasi minsan merong gusto talaga one-on-one mas natututo sila pag one-on-one kaysa sa community lang. Meron naman gusto kahit na naka one-on-one na, gusto pa rin yung part ng isang community, so double whammy yun. Kasi iba yung merong interaction sa iba, nakakakuha ng idea sa iba. So, ang dami na banggit sa atin ngayon ni Rob na pwede natin pagkakitaan. But again, the secret here is for you to know what to offer, you really have to know kung ano yung audience mo, ano yung pangangailangan nila, ano yung mga bagay na pwede mong i-offer sa kanila na willing sila pagkagastusan. And then ikaw, mag-guide rin yung channel mo on how to create content or kung ano yung content na gagawin mo using those ideas. Alright?